silicone. Smack my ass like the drum. Show that dick silicone. Smack my ass like the drum.
Place your trust in me. You have no one else. Laura, she can hear. So keep your voice down. Pretty well, let's just say. He likes to play games. Bonnie helps keep him calm. When out of order, Foxy's there all along. In the dark. Your trust in me, you have no one else. Laura, she can hear. So keep your voice down. Pretty well, let's just say. He likes to play games. Bonnie helps keep him calm. When out of order, Foxy's there all along. In the dark.
Did you guys hear that? I believe that was the sound of the elevator because you're not on my level.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 times. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground.
Get out, the house is on fire. Well, tell the fire to hold up because I'm doing some important shit.
Used to call me on my
If you don't like me at my worst, then you don't like me at my best. I don't like you at all. Okay, so explain to me what happened. He punched me in my face. Bitch, no I didn't. I tried to whip and she was in my way. Do you have a pencil by any chance? No, but I have a knife. What? And I know how to cut a bitch. Try me. I look so ugly today, like I do not want to go.
What the hell? No, you look really cute.
I know, I just wanted to hear you say it.
Dicks in my pool. Say one tries to smack my ass
I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no.
Porque soy perro y me desaparezco.
You're filling up my senses with empty calories. I feel like I'm just missing something whenever you leave. You got all the ingredients except you needing me. So respectfully, you're filling up my senses with empty calories. I feel like I'm just missing something whenever you leave. You got all the ingredients except you needing me. So respectfully, something whenever you leave. You got all the ingredients except you needing me. So respectfully, you're filling up my senses with empty calories. I feel like I'm just missing something whenever you leave. You got all the ingredients except you needing me. So respectfully, you're filling up my senses with empty calories. I feel like I'm just missing something whenever you leave. You got all the ingredients except you needing me. So respectfully, something whenever you leave. You got all the ingredients except you needing me. So respectfully, I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots. That thing she usually do, spell my name with the tongue like oh. That thing she usually do, spell my name with the tongue like oh. Place your trust in me. You have no one else. Laura, she can hear. So keep your voice down pretty well. Let's just say he likes to play games. Bonnie helps keep him calm. When out of order, Fox is there all along in the dark.
Yeah, I hate you, I love you, I miss you, bitch, fuck you. Yeah, go to a cliff and jump off, bitch, and if you survive, then jump again.
We're the Bully Busters. We eat straight rocks. If we catch you bullying, we'll knock off your socks. Yo, what's good? My name is Chester. Say a bad word and you're gone for the semester.
Hey, hello, my name's Wayne. Mess with my friends and you'll feel the pain.
What's up, my homies? The name is Jamie. Why be a goon when you can get more brainy?